Hello and welcome to Ethical Hacking Training with Darshil Modi. Now, in this very tutorial, we are going to learn to exactly how to execute RAT, that is Remote Access Trojan, that we just saw in the previous slides. Fine, so let us get started with this RAT that is made for Windows. So we will build our own RAT and deploy the payload on the victim's PC and then execute different commands and attacks on it. So let's get started. Um, we have to download a software. The link is given in the description. That is Babylon, and it will be downloaded in the zip file. So we need to uh, extract the files. Let me extract it on my desktop with a new folder. Make sure you extract all the files and not just the application file or exe file. So I'll make a new folder here, and password is also given in the description. And yes, here I've extracted this file. So this is the exe file that I need to run. So first of all, I'll need to turn off my antivirus, because antivirus sometimes detects this, but yes, we can make it FUD, that is fully undetectable, by binding it this application with another application. It can be made fully undetectable. Okay, so let me turn off the real-time scanning, as well as firewall should be turned off, and then let's get back to our Babylon application. So here, this is the interface that you see. Here you'll get your victims. Let me build first of all. So click on builder and client. Now here we need to build up a resource. For it, in the DNS section, we will enter the uh, IP address of this machine, that is the hacker's machine. So we are the client here. So just type ipconfig, and here is your IP address. So use this IP address just because we are using it on the local host. So there is only one condition, that the victims, I mean the client and server, should be connected on the same Wi-Fi, because we are executing this on a local area network, and that's why we are using the IP address 192.168.1.5. That is the local IP address of this machine. And port, you need to select one port. So you can select any port. I have selected 4444, and key here. So this key will be used to connect with the client machine further. So uh, just enter a file name, that is, let's try demo. And there are also features to hide these files and folders as well, so that the victim cannot identify. And finally click on build. Now enter the file name where you want to save it. I'm saving it on the desktop, and you'll get a notification that the file has been built. Yes, build successful. So the file has been built. So this file is now to be sent to the victim anyhow. That is, you can send it in the form of email or something like that. Social engineering techniques can be used here. So once this file is sent, before that we need to start the server. So we'll click on settings here and add the port that we selected. So for that, click on add. The port was 4444, and it will ask for a network key. So the key with that we typed there was DARSHIL. Just type it, and here we'll select IPv4 because we are doing it on the local server. So press 0. Okay, so the port has been added. So this is the port that it will start listening to. And once it has been added, you just need to start the server. So just uh, okay, just check that yes, we have added the port. Now click on start here. So it has started listening, and now let's get back to the victim's PC. So this is the victim's PC, and here I have to download this file. I have sent it via WeTransfer. So let me just download this file here. So I click on download. This is for demonstration purposes, but you can send this file by binding it with another file and using social engineering techniques to send it to your victim. And I finally downloaded this file, and it says that this file may be dangerous. Let me keep it right now and show in folder. Since I have not made this fully undetectable, it may be detected by the antivirus and Windows Defender. So let me just open this file. Yes, it shows me this. Let me allow for this run anyway. And once this file is executed, you can see that on our client machine you'll get a notification that new client connected. That means the rat has successfully started executing. The payload has executed and we are now in control of the victim's PC. Now we can run several different commands to execute on this victim. This is our victim. Now let's try something. System and file manager. So this is the file manager of the victim's computer, and you can see these are the files in the D drive of the victim's machine. So let us check here as well. D drive, uh, and yes, you can see the files are exactly the same. So we have got control over the file manager. Now let us try to turn on the webcam. So remote webcam and stream on, and you can see the webcam has turned on. So we have remotely turned on the webcam of the victim's PC as well. We can also start keylogger, so we can capture keystrokes. Let us try real-time keylogger. So with this keylogging, we can also gain passwords, and whatever he is typing on his machine can be viewed here. Let us try. Let us try to log into Facebook, and let's see if it can capture passwords. So I'll click on new tab here and go to facebook.com, and you can see if I'm typing in the URL bar, it is shown here on the client machine because it is capturing each and every move. Yes, facebook.com on Google Chrome, new tab. So it is capturing each and every keystrokes. And let us log in here. So when I type the username here, that is your email ID, it will be real-time key logged on the client machine. You can see here when I'm typing DARSHIL, each and every keystroke is being captured. Even the backspace is captured here. So this is how you can also capture passwords. Now even the password will be captured, you can see. So this is how you can gain access to Facebook account. You can gain access to the passwords. Now let us try to see the desktop screen remotely, and let me start it from here. And yes, you can see the desktop screen of the victim's machine here. Whatever he is doing on his screen is now viewed on the client machine. See, so these are the different attacks that you can run after executing the rat. And now let's get back to the RPC. So these are the different functions that can be done using this Babylon rat. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this is how rat can be executed. And this file is so much dangerous that it can execute other malwares on your PC as well. So that is how rat executes and works. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.